Okay, so this is Uba, and he is going to decode this Rubik's Cube. So here you go, Uba. You film me as there it is, just a normal Rubik's Cube. And I'm going to jack it up as best as possible. Here we go. Decided to film this outside since it's such a gorgeous Christmas day here, 2010. Uba just got back from the road. He's been road tripping with his family. His family lives in Mongolia, but they're here in the U.S. for a while. All right, is that messed up enough, Uba?
I guess so.
Okay. All right. Oh, well, let's see here. Let's get it more messed up. All right, here you go. We'll switch back now. All right, so here it's Uba as he rocks the Rubik's. Ta-da! Uba and his Rubik's Cube.